Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma ulah kerpat ke Sorkar Pedeng bakadai ban penlong dak jingnya selok bat barok ke Jela lem bat ki kunhun baper haswa bakan Shimrai halor ke Citizenship Amendment Bill arjar khatn riu. Hak jingnya keren bat kilat patai kubor hak khatn riu tarik urisau arjar khat kendai u Konrad Sangma ulah yatu bakaladon ke jingnya keren badai ban don shwa dak jingnya selok shwa ban ra ya kumkani ka an hapok ke yeng dorbar thau an jongari India. Konrad ula ongru baka Sorkar Pedeng gadai mania selok bat kinong syong nagi Jela baper ki seng san pertai bat ki seng bahalang namar kani kekam gadai ke bakta ya baro ula pen ken mauru bau menteri Kampok Yeng Amit Shah ha gajing kendu bat ki menteri Rangba ha Assam ula kular bo un pentikena ba ya gajing sngau jong ke Jela on sashim khia.
I think this discussion has been going on for quite some time. If you recall last time when we had this issue about the CAB, which is before the election last time, and when the parliament had placed it in Rajya Sabha, this was one of the important issues that we discussed, that there must be consultation that must take place before such an act is put in the parliament. And people from different states, political parties, organizations must be consulted, because this issue is something that affects all of us. So in line with that, different discussions have been taking place. Last time when we met the Honorable Home Minister in Guwahati, so we had a separate meeting with the Chief Ministers, and the Home Minister was very, very clear in his mind, saying that he will talk to people, he will make visits, he will discuss, and he will try to ensure that concerns of the different communities and states will be addressed in a proper manner before we take this up. So I think the exercise that he's doing now, he made a visit to Mizoram the other day, he met the Chief Minister and other organizations, I think is part of this whole exercise. And obviously in Meghalaya also we intend to ensure that we move in that manner. But I think from our government side, a lot of work has been done in order to ensure that old processes, old systems, old schemes are streamlined and delivery mechanism improves. And I think you will see that in the last 1.5 years, a lot of work has gone into ensuring that the implementations of schemes at the grassroots level have improved significantly. And not only that, we are also working very aggressively to streamline the financial situation that we are facing in terms of ensuring that the additional burden that has come on the state because of the 5th pay commission that is coming in, or the impact of the 14th finance commission that is there. All these aspects are being taken into consideration, and a lot of effort is being made to ensure that even the revenue generation is streamlined, and we're getting very positive response, and I hope to see that we'll be able to see significant growth in our own state's revenue. We have to be very, very clear in our thoughts. What is our objective? So, objective is to protect our people, and ILP is one mechanism to do that. Objective is not ILP, so we need to be very clear and differentiate with that. What I'm trying to say is to protect our people and ensure that our people's interests are safeguarded. There are many mechanisms that are there, and that is why I think all of us need to understand that that should be the objective around which we should work. And focusing on ILP and saying view on ILP is not really you're going away from the main issue, which is protecting our people. And I think, there are many legislations, there are many ways in which we can do that. And there is a reason why in the past also the government has taken a decision in the past dispensation also to ensure that there are, this Residency Act was brought in. And it was done with a lot of consultation taking place at that time. So therefore, I think it's important to keep that in mind, and I think we will, as a government, continue to work with that objective of ensuring that our people are protected.